Hello 6th grades. Let me make a review of the quarter. So we studied so far the plant anatomy. We're gonna discuss about this anatomy. In plant, as far as we know, contains root, stem, flower, one more, root, stem, flower, and yes, you're right, leaf, stem. Let me add that stem here. Not stem. Oh, yeah. Leaf. Should be leaf. And look at this plant. It has some roots. Roots are of course not green. They should be brown. Then we have a stem, leaf, and then we have a beautiful. The most beautiful part of this plant is, of course, flower. It looks like crazy flower. Let me draw a beautiful flower. Okay, this is the plant anatomy. Alright? Of course not. It's for kids. Now we'll move on for teens level. This was for kids, the picture. We'll talk about your level. How I'll find your level. The first thing in root, we talk about two type of roots that are taproot and yes, fibrous roots. Taproots are, if this is a plant, what will be the difference here is their root. In taproot it looks like big root and small roots from the distal sides, and in fibrous, no main root. All the roots are tiny, small, rope-like, and generally they occupy a lot of area. The area is higher than this taproot's area. Okay. Is that it? Is that all about the root? Yes, not all. We studied about the root zones. So this is the cap, the protection for the roots, which is how we call it, root cap. Then the root has another zone, which is the zone of division. Here, this part is the zone of division. Then we have elongation, zone of elongation, and then we have zone of maturation. What is the difference between these layers? Okay. In maturation, the cells have some small, tiny root, and these cells are elongate. They divide. They increase in size, and then here they will elongate a bit longer cells. Then here will be mature cells. This is how the root forms in 1, 2, 3, 4 zones. It has 4 zones. 4 zones. Okay. And then in the lesson I remember myself drawing a root from the cut part from the horizontal part. Okay, imagine if this is a root, you look out for this part and you look out from the top. This is 2D. This is this is from one side, this is from the top. So from the top we have the hairs here. Okay, let me draw this root in this way. As we are talking about the root, it looks like this, right? At the center we have the pipes, vessels, and from the sides we have root hairs. And the root has some cells, big cells for protection and small cells for transportation. These big cells for protection are called, say it, correct, epidermis. And one more thing that I have to mention here is these vessels or pipes, like pipette, they transport the water, right? So these vessels and the epidermis, they are divided by one more layer, and this layer is called endo dermis. What is the difference between them? Endo means inside, and epi means outside. That's it about the root. Thank you for your attention. What is this?